imagine our big, beautiful Earth without any color? This is what a rainbow would look like? How sad. Luckily, our rainbow is filled with so many colors. Let's sing a song to remember our rainbow colors. I hope you'll sing with me. So we start at the top color. Here we go. Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and purple too. Now make the shape. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow with you. Look with your eyes, listen with your ears, and sing everything you see. You can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing along with me. Let's do the colors, here we go. Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and purple too. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow with you. Good job. Now, I have a little special question that I want to ask you about the colors. I'm going to sing you something and I want to see if you can guess my color. So here's my color. I'm going to sing a secret little song about it and you see if you can guess it. My color's cool and pure, like sky or water. Guess what you think it is? Yes, it is blue. Okay, let's do another one. My color's clean and fresh, like a cucumber. Guess what you think it is? Yes, it is green. All right, let's do another one. My color's warm and hot, just like a chili pepper. Guess what you think it is? Yes, it is red. One more. My color's like the sun or a banana. Guess what you think it is? Yes, it is yellow. Let's do one more, but this one's tricky because it's not on the rainbow. My color's dark as ink, just like a spider. Guess what you think it is? Yes, it is black. Great job.